Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade on Bitunix, so let's go straight into it. Now this is the main page and I assume that you already have an account right here. Now what we can do, how we can trade. So let's go here to the market and click the opportunities. So as you can see right here, we have future markets, spot markets, and so on. So now if I click maybe here to the Sol USDT, I will be redirected right here to the uh, page where you will see more specific data. So let me show you. So this is now the page where you trade. So here at the center you basically have the chart of the currency which you selected right over here. If you click on it, you can select whatever you like, basically. Now, to place a trade, you will see here at the right side some option features. Okay. So here we have limit, market, and trigger. So limit is order price. Here we set the limit and then the quantity, and we can open short, open long. Then we have market here. We just set quantity and open long. This means that when you put, for example, 500 and you will press open long, you will buy at this moment price. And then we have also the trigger right here. Trigger price, you will set this one how you want it, and then you will set how much you want to buy those Sol coins. And yeah, now you have, like in trading view, at the left side you have some tools that you can help with. So as you can see, you have some Fibonacci retracement and then other uh, tools that you can use right here. For example, this one. And yeah, basically the interface is from trading view. And yeah, this is how you can trade in Bitunix. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next